Ngiti ka dito. Maricor, hanap lang.
Do you really want to know how I got this? My father was a drinker and a fiend. So one night, I'm so crazy. Mommy gets the kitchen knife to defend herself. Just like that. So me, while watching, took the knife from her mother, laughing while he does it.
Baliw tatay niya. Oo.
He stares at me and says,
Hiniwain dito niya.
"Why so serious?"
Lalagyan daw ng ngiti.
Serious.
Oh.
Puts the blade in my mouth and smile